This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a remote start feature, power adjustable driver pedals, an off-road package, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, a bed liner, an anti-lock braking system, a trailer hitch receiver, and the heated second row seats can warm your passengers up in seconds, keeping them comfortable the whole trip. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.